Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. So here you've got a rectangle here. This, by the way, is called the length, and this here is a width. Okay. If you've got a rectangle here, 15 centimeters in length, and the width here is 3 centimeters. What is the ratio of width to length? Okay, because I said width to length, then because I said width first, then you've got to express it. You've got to express the width first and then the length. Okay. Well, anyway, what is the ratio of width to length of this rectangle? So press pause and have a go, and remember to express it in its simplest form. Okay. So press pause and have a go. So the ratio of width to length is 3:15 here. But then you can divide this by 3, and then therefore you can divide this by 3. So the ratio is better to express it as 1 5. Yeah. So the ratio here is 1 to 5, as opposed to this. This here this is no good. This is better. Okay. All right. Now suppose you're a farmer and you've got this. This is your field here to grow your crops. Now it's 15 kilometers in length, and the width here is 3 kilometers. Now, what is the express this as a ratio of width to length? Remember, it's width to length. To length. Okay. So press pause and have a go. Okay. So the ratio of width to length is 3:15. Like ratio is 3 to 15. But you can simplify that just like earlier. Well, basically, it's really the same as it's the same as before. Even though it's kilometers, the ratio is still the same. But instead, we are talking about 1 kilometer to every 5 kilometers. Okay. Up here, it's one centimeter to every 5 centimeters. Here is kilometers. Well, anyway. Here I've got a drink here. It contains in this drink it contains 30 centimeters cubed of squash and 70 of water. Okay. Express the ratio of squash to water. Okay. So press pause and have a go. So the ratio is squash to water. Well, this here is squash. So 30. And this here is 70. So you could divide this by 10, divide this by 10 by 10 here. So this here would be 7. This here would be 3. So the ratio is 3 to 7. Now, had I asked what is the ratio of water to squash, then the answer would be 7 to 3. Okay. Well, anyway, yeah. Okay.